Hi everybody, my name is Nicole Boyle and I currently work as a psychiatric rehabilitation worker for a county mental health agency. Our agency serves 4 counties in central Pennsylvania, and I predominantly work with consumers in Columbia and Montour counties. Before working at the psych rehab, I worked for a year and a half as an adult blended case manager for another county mental health facility. Pretty much all of my experience that I've had so far in the workforce has been with mental health. At psych rehab, I work with about 5 people that I have on my caseload. We have about 12 overall in our psych rehab program. And pretty much what we do is work with people on a goal of their choice. In psych rehab, there are 5 domains, and within those 5 domains, people can choose to work on a goal of their choice. I work with some people who want to go back to work. We work on an employment goal or an education goal. Some people just have a goal that they want to stay out of the hospital and just work on their mental health and their physical health. My beliefs about mental health are that recovery is possible. At psych rehab, we place a large emphasis on recovery, and that your mental health diagnosis should not hold you back from anything that you want to achieve in life. As far as making a diagnosis, I really don't have a say in that. I work closely with the practitioners who do. Through CMSU, the county agency that I work at, we do have, I think, 3 or 4 psychiatrists on staff. But some of our consumers do see outside psychiatrists from local hospitals and things like that. So I myself do not participate to make a diagnosis. I do some assessments related to psych rehab, but outside of that, I really don't do any of that. So I'm looking forward to learning more about the various diagnoses in the DSM and different assessments. But yeah, I do have about 3 years of experience in mental health, but I'm looking forward to learning a lot more and looking forward to learning more about all of you guys. So thank you.